We're good with it. Right now, shoot, I don't even know how to start this video off. But just to be honest with y'all, completely transparent, been going through a little something. So we reached a little hiccup in the road. A couple weeks back. This is the reason why y'all ain't seen me in a minute. I got basically all my custom materials stolen, and that is quite expensive. Thousands of dollars worth of stuff, man, just gone. I was down to a couple paints. I actually didn't have any paint. I had to go to a local store and get like 3 paints just so I can finish some of the hat orders and start trying to build my money back up to be able to afford to buy paint and all the materials. I got orders that I needed to get out and stuff like that. So that's why y'all ain't seen me in a minute, man. At this point, I'm just trying to rebuild my stuff, because I mean, all of that stuff took a lot of time and a lot of money and a lot of effort to build up, man. But I can't complain about it. It's a very unfortunate situation, but you know, life hand you some punches, you just gotta get up from it, you feel me? So right now I'm gonna unbox some stuff that I bought from Angelus. Last time they had their sale, the patches came in and stuff like that. So it's not a lot, but you know, it's what I could do at the moment. Angelus, if y'all want to sponsor a magnificent artist, you feel what I'm saying, I'm the guy, you feel me? But let's get into the unboxing, man. Alright, so yeah, my the way it happened, long story short, I was at an event I normally do, you know what I'm saying, and my bag, I had a whole bunch of stuff because I was painting on site, working on orders and everything, so I brought a bunch of stuff, duplicate paint and everything, and somebody walked off with my stuff. So yes, your boy is down to scraps right now, but it's all good. I still got faith in God that he gonna pull me through. With hard work, I know I'm gonna get back and get everything back, and it's gonna be even better than before. So alright, so the things that I got, I got to get everything. So I got me some more. I got some more of the matte 4 coat. Y'all know I airbrush a lot, so I had to get some more too thin. Y'all know, Mr. Neon, that's who I am. So I had to get some of this Amazon green, the flaming orange, paradise pink, Persian pink, my bad, paradise purple, blue. Of course you need the essentials, white, flat white, and flat black. Also got fire red. I use a lot of fire red. And I got a little bottle of tropical, what is it, tropical sun yellow. Some coral. This is a new color from Angelus, so I want to try this one out. So I got a little thing of that one. They sent me a little sticker. I spent a certain amount or whatever. Plus I think it's the air freshener. And the last thing I got is some red dye. I use quite a bit of red dye, like on my jokers and stuff like that. But that is it, man. That's this unboxing. I know it's a short one and everything, man. I guess I'm gonna take y'all along the journey of me rebuilding my stuff, because I barely have anything anymore. I mean, I'm talking like my respirators, finishers, pigments. Man, it was so much stuff in that bag. It's tough, y'all, but we're gonna get through it. I appreciate y'all watching, man. Appreciate all the love and support, man. I'm gonna start back dropping videos. Again, Angelus, if you wanna work with your boy, you feel me? Go ahead, but I ain't tripping, man. If it happen, it happen. You know what I'm saying? I'm be eternally grateful. But if it don't, I'm still good. We know how to get this paint, man. I built it up once. I built all my stuff up once. I know I can do it again. Love y'all. And if this is your first time checking me out and all that kind of stuff, man, make sure you subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? Catch y'all in the next one. I'm at this thing, you hear me?
You gotta get back used to me. Killed all of my old ways. This evening I'm reading myself the eulogy. Missing days when it was only you and me. I said I need you. Oh, it's you and I need you. Gotta know that I need you.